everyone, in the second part of mini vlog I'll show you how we participated in electric car rally which was organized by Tata Motors. So here we are, we assembled on time, that was 9 a.m. in Crown Plaza, and here just have a look, this is the morning time, breakfast time. So here is glimpse what we had. So I'm enjoying my breakfast, and this is our meeting room. So beautiful. This time we are participating again. So after having breakfast, it's a time to attend meeting. Everyone is paying attention and receiving instructions. And here we go. So the wait is over. It's a time to start our rally.
You need to slow down on the left.
Every car has got a number. We all are in convoy and following instructions. So we all are connected through walkie-talkie and enjoying our ride as well as the rally. After moving 1.5 hours on the guided route, we are reaching our destination, that is Car Auto Expo. So here we are in parking area.
We have to go to R11. Keep driving straight, we have to go to R11.
So now it's a time to park our car and to enter in Auto Expo. In the next mini vlog, I'll show you what I saw there. Till then, thank you and keep watching. Bye.